Hello, welcome to our Cook It, Taste It, Love It channel. Today we are going to make the Filipino classic polvoron. So let's proceed to the ingredients and the process. Please keep on watching. The first ingredient is the all-purpose flour. It's a half kilogram and I bought it for 25 pesos. 200 grams skim milk and I bought it around 60 pesos. 1/4 kilogram white sugar for 12 pesos. 1/4 kilogram margarine for 25 pesos. 1 sheet water cellophane of any color. The cost of each sheet is 9 pesos, and this is already been cut according to the size of my molder. Make sure the pan is completely dry before putting in the flour. Using a strainer, sift the flour to avoid lumps. On the stove and set the fire to low heat. Set it to low heat to slowly cook for excellent result. Do not set to high fire, otherwise it will burn the ingredients quickly. Stir the flour from time to time as not to burn the bottom part. Continue stirring until the flour is cooked and turn a little brownish. Add the sugar and mix it well with the flour. Mix well the two ingredients together. Add the powdered milk and mix them all together. Continue mixing until all the ingredients are cooked. In a saucepan, melt the margarine. Pour the margarine into the ingredients in the pan and mix them together. Continue mixing until all the ingredients are cooked. All finished! This yummy polvoron is now ready for packaging. all done! I hope you find this video informative. If you do, please give it a thumbs up. Please share, comment, and subscribe. See you in my next video. Bye!